Homework helper, I need you.
Homework helper.
The Lord is good to all, and his tender mercies are over all his works. Psalms 145 verse 9.
Hello, my homework sheroes and my homework heroes. Are you all ready for another lesson? Well, of course you are. So let's get started. In a previous lesson, we learned about the different kinds of syllables. Now, if you didn't see it, scroll back and look for the video entitled Types of Syllables, because it's really going to help you as we begin sounding out words. What is a syllable? Well, a syllable is a letter or combination of letters that, when uttered together with one or more efforts of the voice, says a word. I help my younger students understand this by having them place their hand under their chin, and as they say the word, they count the number of times their chin drops. Even if it's just a little bit, you still count it. So please place your hand under your chin. When you say the word my, how many times did you feel your chin drop? One time. That is one effort of the voice, and that is a one-syllable word. How about the word happy? Happy. Very good. That's two times you felt your chin drop, and that's two efforts of the voice and two syllables. What about the word tomorrow? Three times you felt your chin drop. There's three efforts of the voice and three syllables. And the last word is watermelon. Very good. You felt it drop four times. That's four efforts of the voice and four syllables. Very, very good. When you come to a word you do not know, do not panic. You're going to count the number of vowels. That's very important because that is going to tell you how many syllables there are in the word. Now, if you do not remember the vowels, scroll back through the videos and look for the one entitled Vowels. Now, there may be one vowel that's going to be one syllable. Two vowels, that will be two syllables. And another important thing to remember is each syllable has to have at least one vowel. Once you have determined how many vowels there are in the word and how many syllables there are, you are ready to start sounding the word out. And this works on words at any level. Are you ready to give it a try? Let's try it. The first word is B-A-T. How many vowels are there? There's only one vowel in B-A-T, and that is a one-syllable word. Now it's time to sound it out. Let's try it. B-A-T, 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 bat. Very good. The next word is C-A-N-D-Y. How many vowels are in that word? Don't forget about the Y as a vowel. There are two vowels, so there are two syllables. So let's sound it out. K-A-N-D-E, 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 candy, candy. Very good. The next word, they're getting kind of big, is N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. How many vowels do you see in this word? Three vowels. You're getting really good at this. So that lets us know that there are three syllables. Let's sound it out. News. P-A-P-R. Newspaper. 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 Very good. Here's another word. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. How many vowels are in this word? Four vowels. Very good. Four syllables. Let's sound it out. Al-I-G-A-T-O-R. alligator, 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 alligator. And the last word is Electricity. How many vowels do you see? 5. You didn't forget about the Y. Very good. So we have 5 syllables, and each syllable has at least one vowel. So let's sound it out. E, E, K, Tr, I, S, I, T, E. Electricity. 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 Very, very good. You all did an amazing job. Remember to watch this video as often as you need to so you can become more comfortable with counting the number of vowels, which tells you the number of syllables, and making sure that each syllable has at least one vowel, and then you just sound the word out. The more you practice, the better you'll become, and the easier it will get, and the better you'll be able to read. Isn't that amazing? Until next time, remember, you are not here to be average. You are here to be awesome. Remember to send your questions in to homeworkhelper@edu@fayetteChristianacademy.com, and we will answer those questions for you.
For more in-depth videos, like and subscribe to FCA's YouTube channel to support the Homework Helper, and be sure to turn on your notifications to catch the next episode.